Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods and lifestyle tips to help boost your kidney health. But first, let's talk about what kidney function is and why it's so important for our overall health. Our kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located just below our rib cage. They play a vital role in detoxifying our body by filtering waste products, excess water, and impurities from our blood, which are then excreted as urine. Kidneys also help regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and produce hormones that are essential for red blood cell production and bone health. By maintaining optimal kidney function, we ensure that our body stays balanced and free from harmful toxins. This is why it's so important to support our kidney health with the right foods and healthy habits. Cranberries. First on our list are cranberries. These little berries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help prevent urinary tract infections and protect your kidneys from infection. They also contain proanthocyanins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. Blueberries. Next, we have blueberries. These tiny fruits are rich in vitamin C and K, as well as fiber. The antioxidants in blueberries help reduce inflammation and support kidney health by preventing oxidative stress and damage. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a kidney-friendly vegetable that is low in potassium but high in vitamins A and C, as well as lycopene. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful superfood known for its ability to lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation. It's rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and manganese, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and improve their function. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that's great for your kidneys. It's rich in iron, vitamin C, and folate, which help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and protein, which can help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. Regular consumption of salmon can also help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Apples are a great snack for kidney health. Apples, they're high in fiber, vitamin C, and quercetin, an anti-inflammatory compound. Eating apples regularly can help reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, and protect against heart disease, which is important for kidney health. Lemons. Lemons are excellent for kidney health due to their high vitamin C content and natural ability to increase citrate levels in the urine, which helps prevent kidney stones. Start your day with a glass of lemon water for a refreshing and kidney-friendly drink. Kale. Kale is a nutrient powerhouse that's great for your kidneys. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. Enjoy kale in salads, smoothies, or as a cooked side dish. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a kidney-friendly starch that's high in fiber, vitamins A and C, and beta-carotene. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. They're also lower in potassium than regular potatoes, making them a better choice for those with kidney concerns. Are you enjoying these tips? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with more health tips. Water. Water is crucial for kidney health. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys remove waste and toxins from your blood, making it easier for them to function properly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your kidneys healthy. Exercise. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. It boosts circulation, reduces blood pressure, and helps maintain a healthy weight, all of which are important for kidney function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Incorporate these superfoods and habits for healthier kidneys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and happy, everyone. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.